Now I would like to share the animal kingdom. First of all, cat. Another cat you can see is here. These are the cats basically stay in our house, and you can see the others resting here. There are packs of dog here too. There one. So all of them are resting. They want food, and actually we also provided food in the morning. So my son is playing. You can see the canal water is flowing. The water is flowing because it has been raining for 2 days, I guess, and it's a good weather, not hot, not cold, pretty great outside. So you can see the beautiful sun is everywhere, the sunshine, so looks pretty wonderful. And you can see the cat, and the papaya.